They said it was impossible, that nothing valuable could grow in that dusty, drought-stricken village. But for 22-year-old Arjun, 5 olive saplings represented everything: his hope, his future, his gamble. As sunrise painted the sky amber, Arjun patted soil around his young trees. The village elders had laughed at his plan. Olives, here, where even wheat struggled. It was madness. "I don't need much," Arjun told his skeptical father. "Just a bit of land, water, and patience. The rest will come." The first 3 years were brutal. Harsh sun cracked the earth. Each morning, Arjun hauled buckets from the village well, shoulders aching, hands blistered. His savings evaporated. He took odd jobs just to survive. The villagers' amusement turned to pity, then frustration. "Arjun, you can't eat dreams," old Ramesh called out. "Grow wheat like the rest of us." Arjun straightened despite his exhaustion. "Wheat feeds you once, Ramesh uncle. Olives can feed generations." That night, looking at his struggling grove under moonlight, Arjun made a promise. He would not give up. Year 4 brought a shift. Arjun realized passion wasn't enough. He needed knowledge. He spent nights studying olive cultivation from farmers worldwide. He learned about pH levels, organic compost, drip irrigation. He experimented, failed, and tried again. "The secret isn't in the soil," he wrote in his journal. "It's in the care you give it." Slowly, his trees responded. Leaves grew richer, greener, fuller. In year 5, when the first olives appeared, Arjun wept. By year 6, he pressed his first batch of olive oil, working through the night. The golden green liquid glowed with all his hope and labor. He filled bottles, designed simple labels, and named his brand Golden Roots. The first bottles sat unsold for weeks at the village market, but Arjun had learned persistence came in many forms. He created a website, posted his story, reached out to food bloggers. One influential blogger wrote, "This isn't just olive oil, it's liquid gold pressed from pure determination." Orders began trickling in, then streaming, then flooding. People weren't just buying olive oil, they were buying authenticity, supporting a young farmer who'd risked everything for something pure and meaningful. Within 2 years, 5 trees became 500. Arjun hired local youth who wanted to be part of something greater. International buyers visited from Dubai, Singapore, Europe. "I didn't just sell oil," Arjun explained in a viral interview. "I sold a story of patience, purity, and persistence. People taste that in every drop." 10 years after planting those first saplings, Arjun stood in his converted barn office, looking at a wall map dotted with pins. 40 countries where Golden Roots was sold. He was 32 and a billionaire. The youngest self-made billionaire in the region. But he still wore simple clothes, still woke before dawn, still touched his trees like old friends. His company employed 300 people. He'd established training programs for young farmers, teaching sustainable practices, providing microloans, and guaranteed markets for their produce. "Why stay in this village?" a journalist asked. "You could live anywhere." Arjun smiled, the same quiet smile from that first morning. "Because roots matter. These trees taught me that. You can't build something lasting by abandoning where you came from. My wealth isn't in bank accounts. It's in this soil, in these people, in knowledge that what we're building will outlast us all." He'd turned down multiple buyout offers. Golden Roots wasn't for sale. It was a legacy, a philosophy, living proof that patience and purpose could transform the impossible into inevitable. Today, Arjun mentors young entrepreneurs and speaks at conferences worldwide. "They called me crazy when I planted olives in dry land," he tells audiences. "Everyone had opinions about what I should do instead. But here's what I learned. The world is full of people ready to tell you what's impossible. What they're really saying is that they can't imagine it. That doesn't mean you shouldn't try." He pauses, remembering those nights of doubt, the aching muscles, the empty wallet. "Now, I call it my golden garden. Not because of the money, but because of what it taught me. Dreams grow slowly, like olives. They need care, patience, the right conditions. Sometimes you weather storms that make you question everything. But when they ripen, they last forever. The sun sets over Arjun's estate, casting shadows through thousands of olive trees. In the grove, 5 trees stand slightly taller, the originals, now thick-trunked and heavy with fruit. Arjun visits them often, placing his hand on their bark. "Thank you," he whispers, "for teaching me that the best things in life are worth waiting for." Perhaps you have your own olive tree, a dream others dismiss, a vision requiring years of work before you see results. The question isn't whether it will be easy. It won't be. The question is whether you'll tend to it, day after day, year after year, even when nothing seems to be happening, even when people tell you to give up. Because dreams grow slowly, like olives. But when they ripen, they last forever. The Olive Billionaire, based on true grit. Dreams don't come true because they're easy. They come true because someone refused to stop believing in them.